If you grow your own fruit, or if a neighbor or a family member gives you some extra fruit, what can you do? When it is the passion fruit season, you can do a passion fruit cake with the extra fruit. And I'm using a lot of fruit in this cake. This is a passion fruit and coconut cake. For this recipe, I'm using 300 grams or 2 cups of self-raising flour. If you are using plain flour, make sure to add 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 5 to 6 passion fruit, 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut or 35 grams desiccated coconut, 2 eggs, 125 grams or 1 stick of butter, 1 cup or 200 grams sugar. You can always decrease the amount of sugar or increase the amount of sugar in your recipes. And if the pulp is not enough, this is optional, we can add about a tablespoon or 2 fresh milk. Let's do it. First, let's open the passion fruit and get the pulp out. So add the pulp into a bowl. Use the whisk attachment and add the butter into the bowl, and into that add the sugar. Whisk until it's creamy and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the edges all the time. While whisking, add the eggs one by one. Make sure to scrape again. Once it is pale in color and creamy, add the coconut. Whisk again on high. Reduce the speed and add the flour bit by bit. So as you can see, the batter is dry. Now we are going to add the passion fruit pulp. Don't add it at once because I already have about a cup of passion fruit pulp. It might be too much, so going to add bit by bit. First add about a tablespoon. Increase the speed. Slowly add bit by bit. So I added the whole cup. Now increase the speed. And it's ready. As you can see, I don't need any liquid in this, but if the passion fruits that you are using is smaller, you might need a bit of milk. So let's take it out. So for this recipe, line 8-inch or 20 centimeter cake pan and spray the ends, or you can use baking paper around. This is a non-stick pan, so I'm using only for the base. And into that, add the batter. I really like the color of the cake. It's really yellowish. Spread it evenly. This goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius in a normal oven, or 160 Celsius in a fan forced oven, about 30 to 45 minutes, or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. So the passion fruit cake is ready and it's really soft, and I took it out from the oven and left it on a wire rack to cool down completely. Let's cut it and see how it is. Such a beautiful, soft and moist cake. If you want to do an icing with passion fruit on top too, you can use about 250 grams icing sugar, pulp of 1 passion fruit mixed together and put it on top. Or you can have it as this is. So hope you will enjoy. See you next time.